this is class 12 or 2022-23 theory syllabus by CBSE. So you've got these units to study, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units are there. And these are the titles. Reproduction for 16 marks, genetics and evolution 20 marks, biology and human welfare 12, biotechnology and its applications 12, ecology and environment 10. Total 70 marks, of which we can see that the unit reproduction and genetics and evolution contributes to maximum marks 16 and 20. The others are 12, 12 and 10. The maximum marks will be 70 for theory, and for practicals it is 30 marks. Now each unit is divided into different chapters. So the reproduction unit is divided into the chapter 1 is not there, chapter 2 sexual reproduction in flowering plants, chapter 3 human reproduction, and then chapter 4 reproductive health. So that's for the unit reproduction. And then comes the next unit, that is genetics and evolution. In this you have the chapter 5 principles of inheritance and variation. Then comes chapter 6 molecular basis of inheritance, where the search for genetic material, that DNA is a genetic material, all these things will be discussed. And then chapter 7 evolution. From unit 8 biology and human welfare, we have the chapter 8 human health and diseases, then chapter 10 microbes in human welfare. In unit 9, that is biotechnology and its applications, we have chapter 11, that is biotechnology principles and process, and then chapter 12 biotechnology and its applications. Unit 10 ecology and environment, where there is chapter 13 organisms and populations, and chapter 14 ecosystem, chapter 15 biodiversity and its conservation. Now for the practicals, the maximum marks is 30. Evaluation scheme goes like this. There will be one major experiment for 5 marks, one minor experiment for 4 marks, slide preparation for 5 marks, spotting 7 marks, practical record and viva 4 marks, investigatory project and its viva and the record also, that also 5 marks, total 30 marks. Now the credit will be given to the students' work also over the academic session. So what are the major experiments? One major experiment, that is experiment number 5. So experiment number 5 means isolate DNA from available plant materials such as spinach, green. So that will be the major experiment. Then from the minor experiments, experiment number 2 and 3 are minor experiments. That means study the plant population density by quadrat method, and then study the plant population frequency by quadrat method. Then for spotting, which is 7 marks. All these experiments comes under spotting, that is flowers adapted to pollination, pollen germination on stigma through permanent slide, identification of different stages of gamete development, meiosis in onion bud cell or grasshopper testis through permanent slides, TS of blastula, Mendelian inheritance using seeds of different colors, prepared pedigree charts, identify the prepared pedigree charts, then controlled pollination, emasculation, tagging, bagging, common disease-causing organisms like Ascaris and Amoeba, Plasmodium, like that. So from all these experiments, 7 spotters will be there, of which you will have to learn the features, identify and learn the features. Model specimen showing symbiotic association root nodules of leguminous plants, flashcards or models showing examples of homologous analogous organs. So all these will be written as spotters. So that's for the syllabus for class 12 biology. All the best for your exams.